What's up YouTube, Tay and the 2SS back with another video. Today's video, I'm gonna be trying out this waterless car wash product that I picked up from Amazon. It is a Hybrid Solutions ceramic, actually show you. Hybrid Solutions ceramic 3-in-1 detailer, safe waterless cleaning that intensifies shine and adds for ceramic wax protection. So I'm gonna be trying this out, trying to avoid actually washing my car thoroughly. So I want to see if this would like give me some time in between washes to give it that nice clean shine look that I like to go for. But before I jump in the video, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can be notified of all future videos. And let's get into the video. So I'll do a quick walk around of the car before I actually jump into washing it, just to give you guys an idea of how dirty it is in its current state. There's some like berry stains from the trees and whatnot. Got some dirt down here on the rocker panels. It's pretty dirty. Probably haven't washed it in like a week and a half. Dirt. So I'm gonna be trying it. So I got my solution here. I got my microfiber cloths, and of course I got the tire shine that I keep on deck because it makes the tires look amazing. But yeah, let's jump into the wash. So if I had to give the product a score, I would give it maybe a 7 or 8 out of 10. I think it's best used on vehicles that are not like super dirty. Like if you just need a quick wipe down, I think the results are better that way. If it's really time for a car wash, you should just go get a car wash, because you're gonna spend more time using the spray and using a little bit of elbow grease to get the dirt off than you would if you just went ahead and got your normal car wash. So, but all in all, I'll give it a 7 or 8 out of 10, because I'm pretty pleased with the results. Let me know if you've tried waterless car wash solutions before. If you have a favorite brand, let me know in the comments, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.